Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add title on your YouTube video. Let's start. At first you have to open your YouTube app. After this, tap on the plus icon and then tap on upload a video. Then select the video that you want to upload. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then tap on next. After this, you guys can find out create a title. You guys can also type @ to mention a channel. Now tap on here. Now you guys can see this title, and if you tap on next, then you guys can upload this video. Now let's see the video. As you guys can see, I have the title in my video. So this is how you can add title on your YouTube video. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day to videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.